Here we have a SAT math question. Let's go with the information. A model predicts that the value of collector's video cassette collection was $16,200 in 2011. The model also predicts that each year for the next 10 years, the collection's value V will increase by 6% of the previous year's value. Which equation best represents this model, where Y is the number of years after 2011 when Y less than or equal to 10. So we have to notice carefully the two information. One is the collections value V will increase 6% of the previous year value, not the original value or not the initial value. So since the value is getting increased by 6% of the previous year's value, clearly it shows it's an exponential growth. And also Y is the number of years after 2011. So Y represents the number of years after 2011. So this 2011 has to be considered as the initial time. Okay, now so whenever we have exponential growth, the formula is going to be V. I'm using V. Sometimes we'll be using Y, sometimes we'll be using f of x. But in this case, the collection value is given by V. So V is equal to A times 1 positive R to the power. So here R is the growth rate and A is the initial value. And here at the exponent usually we write T. T represents a time period. But here instead of T we have Y, which represents time period in number of years. So we have to write a Y over here. So A is the initial value of E. So as I said already, 2011, Y represents the number of years after 2011. So 2011 is the starting year. So A is the value of this V. A is the initial value of this V. So initial value is nothing but the value of this V in the year 2011, that is 16,200. That we can plug in for this A, 16,200 times 1 positive. R is the growth rate in percentage. It is 6%. We can convert this 6% to decimal. So for that we have to write this 6% as a fraction. When I divide 6 by 100, I'm getting 0.06. So 0.06 to the yth power. So V equals to 16,200 times 1 positive 0.06 is just 1.06 to the yth power. So we find this equation in option D. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.